Guys, listen to this. She's my daughter. She's my daughter. Alright, let's see what this bitch can do. Oh my god. Jesus. What a fucking beast! Alright, impromptu video of 2018 and reflected back on this year, and I hope to God this sound, that everything comes clear. This is going to be a good video. But I'm in a fucking brand spanking new Range Rover Sport supercharged, and we got it for the day so I could show the wife finally, and the kids loved it. She loved it. And you know, it's fucking insane. You know, this time last year, you know, we had done our first $50,000 year, and you know, that was like cool. And you know, things started coming together. We had cash flow for the first time in a long time, and fuck, this is nuts. 2018, we're gonna do over $200,000 US. Holy shit! Just fucking saying it out loud. It's fucking nuts. And, you know, at least for us, that's a lot of fucking money. A lot of fucking money. And, let's turn this fucking lane keep assist on. Or off. But, you know, when I used to think about getting a car like this, and, you know, Range Rover was my dad's dream car. Really, so I kind of just want one, you know, for that type of thing. They're badass fucking trucks, and, you know, but this was always a goal just for that reason, right? And, you know, that now this test drive turned into, like, we looked at the numbers and we're like, it's not even a question of affordability now. Like, what, like I was telling Marianne, I was like, the last little bit of debt we have that we're just, you know, waiting to pay off, I could pay that off tomorrow. We could put the down payment on this and do the monthly payments and wouldn't even fucking notice it. And we were just talking about this at lunch, and you know, we're like, wait, can this be right? Are you sure? We wouldn't even fucking notice it. Nothing would change. And yeah, I was texting the boys. It was like, this is no longer, like, this is fucked, because it's no longer a question of affordability. Now it's a question of when's the right time. And you know, you take a couple things away from that. Those of you who've known me for a while, you're like, whoa, Emeka, what's up with you? You've changed. Because that's maturity. That's responsibility. You know, takes a lot. Knowing that I can literally get one of my fucking dream cars exactly the way I want, brand spanking new, and we wouldn't even notice it. Oh, can you hear that rumble? Probably not, but, and it's fucking nuts. So now we're looking, can we grab this within the next 4 or 5 months? What do I have to do? How much do I have to increase the business? So it's, remember, not a question of affordability now, it's a question of fuck. Oh, it's a question of, oh, when's the right time? Fuck. Wow. 12 fucking months this life changed. 12 months. Everything just drastically changed. And the first year doing this whole online thing, Kindle publishing, 100% best way to get started. If you're broke and don't have time and don't know what you're doing, you fucking start Kindle. Ignore any other bullshit you hear. It ain't true. When I first started this, nothing changed for a year. Lifestyle didn't change. The only change we had was going to fucking movies when we wanted. That was the only change. But now, 2 years into it, We're looking at buying dream cars. We're in the process of buying our first house, and life is fucking good. You know, I joke, I see Mariana's like new boots and stuff show up at the house. I'm like, whose fucking boots are those? You know? And I'm like, oh shit, she must have gone shopping or something like that. But it's fucking nuts. So I don't know. 2019, I can't even imagine. We're looking at doing around $750,000. That's the projected goal, between $750,000 and $1 million. And you know, I'm confident. I know exactly what to do and how to make it happen. So it's like, keep working hard, keep working smart. Keep fucking following your dreams, because it's just a matter of time from when dreams become reality. Oh.